Many customers will ask us if we can pop or suction cup a dent out of a car, or if we use dry ice. There's a lot of videos going around that seem to perpetuate these myths. Unfortunately, that's not really how easy the repair methods are. One of the reasons that we have a job is because this is a very challenging method of repair, and my technicians are very, very skilled. If you come by one of our shops, we can show you that we basically use expert tools and techniques to massage and manipulate metal. Sometimes we're going behind braces, or even in open panels, we may be pulling from the outside if it's in an obstructed area. These are methods that protect the integrity of your paint and get you on the road as fast and as efficiently as possible, and it's usually a much cheaper option than a traditional body shop. Feel free to swing by one of our shops and we can show you any of the tools and answer any questions you have about the repair process.